Hi guys, I'm Patty. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a ketogenic Thanksgiving dinner.
Ajá. Entra la malandrina a su cocina, comida mexicana menos la tortilla. Qué pesadilla, bajo carbohidrato, comiendo kilo quiero comer cada rato. Le pido a la jefa nueva receta, que no tenga polémica y que sea cetogénica. Unos nopales y otros vegetales, si quiero engordar pasen los tamales. Bajar de peso, comiendo mucho queso, consumiendo carne hasta que llegue al hueso. Luego combino huevos y tocino y en vez de chocolate me...
So today we're making a turkey dinner with stuffing and green beans and cauliflower puree. And so it's my version of a ketogenic Thanksgiving dinner. This is like the easiest thing and close to a normal Thanksgiving dinner. This is like more like a ketogenic version of it, so it's a little bit more whole foods and healthy and not so high on fat. So if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. I'm very thankful for you. I'm very thankful for all the people that send me messages, the pictures of your blood sugar, your AC1 results. Oh my God, thank you so much for that. It's changed my life. It's been quite a journey for me to help out so many people, and so I really appreciate it. And so just keep it up. You can do it, and even though it's the holidays, I think you can still go through it and just kick ass. Okay, so I'm thankful for you this year, and I appreciate everything you do for supporting me. And so I just wanted to thank you and thank you, like really. Let's go check out the recipe because I'm gonna start crying here. or what. It was really simple. It was just like a regular dinner, and usually Thanksgiving is like so obfuscating, so many things to do and so many steps. I think this was like the simplest version I could make, and so you guys can enjoy a ketogenic Thanksgiving dinner with your family. And so I think it was pretty easy, and I'm really happy with it. So hopefully you enjoy it and you get to make it. If you do, please tag me, subscribe to my channel, that helps me a lot. Leave me a comment, or if you have a question, if I forgot something, I probably forgot something. So just leave me a comment, and I'll answer you there. Thank you so much, and happy Thanksgiving to you.
Entra la malandrina a su cocina, comida mexicana menos la tortilla. Qué pesadilla, bajo carbohidrato, comiendo kilo quiero comer cada rato. Le pido a la jefa nueva receta, que no tenga polémica y que sea cetogénica. Unos nopales y otros vegetales, si quiero engordar pasen los tamales. Bajar de peso, comiendo mucho queso, consumiendo carne hasta que llegue al hueso. Luego combino huevos y tocino, y en vez de chocolate me como un aguacate. I miss potatoes, instead I eat tomatoes. Now I'm reading labels and no longer eating bagels. I changed my whole life and I did it like that. I keep losing weight and I'm eating high fat. And I'm eating high fat.